Imagine the possibilities. From blog headers to social media posts, AI is revolutionizing the way we express ourselves visually. And guess what? It's easier than you think. Hey, amazing viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of AI magic. Ever wondered how to turn simple text into stunning images? Well, you're in for a treat. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest tech insights and creative wonders. And hey, if you love what we do, consider supporting us through the link in the description. Your support keeps the magic alive. Let's take a step into the platform. In this segment, you'll discover a plethora of tools and features offered by this artificial intelligence. This platform not only enables you to create images infused with text, but also empowers you to convert and generate animations. Moving on to the Create Images section, navigate to the left side of the site to select your preferred photo style and size, and your desired number of pictures. Here, the Pixar style is chosen. Once you've configured the settings, it's time to compose the prompt. I've already covered the art of prompt writing in my tutorial videos. Feel free to check those out for detailed guidance. Observe the impressive quality of the generated photos, perfectly aligned with the provided prompts and devoid of any errors. The best part? You can effortlessly download these high-quality images for free. Introducing the Canva platform, a versatile tool that provides a plethora of features for free. This site hosts various applications dedicated to crafting visually appealing images adorned with text. Navigating through the left side of the platform, you'll find the Apps section, where the integration with different programs is seamlessly possible. Begin by locating the Mojo program. Then opt for a specific design size by selecting the New Design option. Subsequently, enter the desired prompt to kickstart the creative process. Specify the style and size for your photo, and, if not logged in, ensure to log in using your Gmail credentials. It's important to note that each photo creation incurs a deduction of 4 credits, and you start with a total of 75 credits per Gmail account. Once your masterpiece is ready, effortlessly drag it onto the program's empty screen and position it as desired. Modify the size of your creation with ease, allowing for a seamless and personalized editing experience. Finally, you can download the image through the share click on the top of the page. Let's explore the next app within Canva, the Imagen app. Similar to the previous application, the first step involves selecting the preferred size for your image. Following that, input your image prompt and generate the desired image. However, it's worth noting that, unlike some other apps, there isn't an option to customize the style and size of your image. Just like before, take the image you've created and drag it onto the blank canvas, adjusting the size as needed. An important aspect to highlight is that the Imagen app is entirely free to use. Moving on to the next feature in Canva, we have Dolly. To find this app, simply use the search function. Dolly also boasts an impressive ability to generate images with text. Once you've selected your desired image size, proceed to compose the prompt. In this case, we've entered a repetitive prompt featuring a wrinkly old woman. However, similar to Imagen, there's no option to modify the size and style of the photo. Everything you want to include must be part of the initial prompt. Despite the limitations, the Dolly app provides a unique and free way to create engaging images with text in Canva. The final platform we'll explore is the Lexica app, renowned for its user-friendly interface and, best of all, it's completely free. Here, you have the flexibility to either search for specific content or generate it. Upon clicking the Generate button, you'll be directed to the Generating section, offering the capability to craft your prompt and fine-tune settings to create your custom image. Once you've composed your prompt, the platform grants you the freedom to select your preferred size. Below the prompt box, a range of different characters or examples is provided, giving you the option to enhance or substitute elements in your prompt. It's crucial to recognize that a negative prompt allows you to specify elements you wish to avoid in your image creation. For high-quality images with picturesque views are generated initially, adhering to a default style. However, for those seeking a more personalized touch, such as a Pixar or Disney style, it's as simple as incorporating these preferences into your prompt. The results are genuinely awesome and amazing. Before we wrap up, a friendly reminder to subscribe and hit the like button to support us and fuel the creation of more videos like this. Thank you for watching.